Ideal im TV lässt mich völlig kalt. Und die ganze Szene hängt mir aus dem Hals. Da bleib ich kühl, kein Gefühl. Grelle Fummels aus den 50s, 60s, alles Soul und Tons gemeint. Auf Skoda oder Fiorucci flieg ich nicht mehr ein. Da bleib ich kühl, kein Gefühl. Bis deine blauen Augen machen mich so sentimental. So blaue Augen, wenn du mich so anschaust, wird mir alles andere egal. Total egal, deine blauen Augen sind phänomenal. Kaum zu glauben, was ich dann so fühle, ist nicht mehr normal.
Das ist gefährlich, lebensgefährlich, zu viel Gefühl.
In seiner Fäden, da schlaf ich ein. Ich will auch nicht in London sein. Bei Sex and Drugs and Rock'n'Roll ist es mal so ein Sturmfall, da bleib ich kühl, kein Gefühl. Der ganze Hassel um die Knete macht mich taub und stumm. Für den halben Luxus leg ich mich nicht krumm. Nur der Scheiß ist wirklich reich. Und deine blauen Augen machen mich so sentimental. So blaue Augen, wenn du mich so anschaust, wird mir alles andere egal. Total egal, deine blauen Augen sind phänomenal. Kaum zu glauben, was ich dann so fühle, ist nicht mehr normal.
Das ist gefährlich, lebensgefährlich, zu viel Gefühl.
Deine blauen Augen machen mich so sentimental. So blaue Augen, wenn du mich so anschaust, wird mir alles andere egal. Total egal, deine blauen Augen sind phänomenal. Kaum zu glauben, was ich dann so fühle, ist nicht mehr normal. Nicht mehr normal, deine blauen Augen. So blaue Augen, was ich dann so fühle, ist nicht mehr normal. Nicht mehr normal. Ah! Nicht mehr normal. Nicht mehr normal. Ah! Nicht mehr normal.
I try to discover a little something to make me sweeter. Oh baby, refrain from breaking my heart. I'm so in love with you. I'll be forever blue. That you give me no reason why you make me work so hard. That you keep
Welcome to our assembly. June is Pride Month, a month dedicated to celebrating the LGBT plus communities around the world. Pride is usually celebrated with parades and marches, and sometimes when people use the term Pride, they are referring to one of these events. June is the month chosen to celebrate Pride as it was the month of the Stonewall riots. More on these later. How did Pride start?
Pride has a long history rooted in the political activism of LGBT plus communities around the world. Through the 1950s and 60s, LGBT plus people faced legal discrimination and were sometimes raided by the police in their community spaces. For example, in the UK, male same-sex affection was illegal until 1967 and could have resulted in arrest and imprisonment.
In 1969, the Stonewall Inn, a bar in New York, had been repeatedly targeted for raids by police as it was known to be a meeting place for trans women and other LGBT plus people of colour. On the night of June 28, 1969, police raided the bar again. However, that night, the people at the Stonewall Inn decided to stand up to the police, which sparked days of protests by LGBT plus activists across the city. The beginnings of Pride UK.
The Stonewall riots sparked similar protests in cities across the USA, where LGBT plus activists had also been pushing for change, which became the beginning of Pride celebration that we know today.
In the UK, in 1972, the Gay Liberation Front organised the first official Gay Pride rally. They wanted to recreate what had happened in the USA to help improve the lives of LGBT plus people living in the UK as well. An extract from the Gay Liberation Front's manifesto. We must root out the idea that homosexuality is bad, sick or immoral and develop a gay pride.
Pride in the UK today. As rights and freedom for LGBT plus people have improved over time, Pride has increasingly become about celebrating the LGBT plus community, their lives and their achievements.
Alongside this, Pride is also a key time for local LGBT plus communities and organisations to come together and push for further change to improve the lives of LGBT plus people in the UK.
Pride in the UK still has its political roots, and Pride parades with floats, music and entertainment are still often organised around contemporary LGBT plus issues. UK Black Pride and Trans Pride in Brighton campaign on the issues that face parts of the LGBT plus community while creating safe, inclusive spaces for everyone to celebrate Pride.
York Pride took place on June 1st, 2024, but other Pride events take place all over the world, all over the country get involved.
Pride is a welcoming celebration for all LGBT plus people, allies, their friends and families, and you should go check out your local Pride this month. These are some Pride events around the country.